Perfectly cooked rice, simply and affordably. The OK brand 1-litre rice cooker. For those seeking a straightforward and budget-friendly way to cook perfect rice every time, the OK brand 1-litre rice cooker is an excellent option. This no-frills appliance offers simplicity and convenience at an attractive price point of around €20. Compact and convenient design. The OK rice cooker sports a clean, white design that will fit seamlessly into any kitchen. Its compact 1-litre capacity makes it ideal for individuals, couples, or small families. The small footprint also ensures it won't take up valuable counter space. Effortless operation. This rice cooker prioritizes ease of use. Simply add rice and water according to the provided instructions, press the button, and let the appliance do its work. The automatic shut-off function prevents burning and ensures perfectly cooked rice every time. Key features. 1-litre capacity, ideal for small households. Simple one-button operation, easy to use, even for beginners. Automatic shut-off, prevents burning and overcooking. Keep warm function, keeps rice warm and ready to serve for extended periods. Non-stick inner pot, ensures easy cleaning and prevents rice from sticking. Compact and lightweight design, easy to store and transport. Affordable price, typically around €20. Value for money.